Hello class, today we are going to learn about dative bond. Dative bond in bahasa Melayu adalah ikatan datif. What you are going to learn in this small subtopic in chapter 5, chemical bond, is you are going to explain with example the formation of dative bond. Okay, ada dua saja example yang ditekankan dalam silibus kamu, which are the complex ion, ammonium ion, NH4+, and also hydroxonium ion, H3O+. Hanya ini dua sahaja yang ditekankan dalam silibus kamu. Okay, so let us look at the textbook in page 120 over here. Dative bond. Look at this figure here. This is the illustration of the formation of dative bond. The hydrogen plus, okay, ion hydrogen. Okay, remember that hydrogen ion, if it's an ion, it does not have any electron sudah. I do not have electrons. Kenapa tiada elektron? Sebab dia sudah derma. Kan originally if it's an atom, kalau dia adalah atom, dia ada satu elektron. Kenapa satu? Because the proton number is 1. So when proton number is 1, the electron number is 1 also. Itu kalau hydrogen atom. But in this case, this is ion. Look at what this ion say. I do not have any electrons. Okay, fahamlah tua? Sebab dia kan ion, jadi ion tiada elektron. It already donate ataupun receive. So in this case, dia sudah donate tua satu. And then what the ammonium? This is ammonia. Okay, this is molecule, and the name for this molecule is ammonia molecule, NH3, ammonia molecule. Look at this ammonia molecule. What it says? I have a pair of electrons to be shared. Dia ada satu pasang elektron to be shared. Why is it satu pasang? Okay, because you still remember N tu adalah daripada kumpulan 15. Okay, and nitrogen has 7 proton number. 7. So when we want to arrange, we will get 2.5. So how to draw it? It's going to be like this. N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Lewis structure. Lewis structure tu yang dia kasih tunjuk dia punya valence electron saja. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the valence electron Nina 5. Okay, so how to draw NH3 punya Lewis structure adalah, you remember kalau ada H3, maksudnya dia ada 3 atom hydrogen bergabung dengan satu N lah kan. So satu N you already draw here. So this is another H, dan juga H. Okay, so kalau Lewis structure tu dia akan jadi begitulah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, itu X adalah menunjukkan hydrogen. So look at this one. Dia cakap, I have 1 pair of electron to be shared. Nina, ada 1 pair. Yang lebihan terlebih. Sebab yang lain semua sudah balance. Sudah mencapai SOEAR, Stable Octet Electron Arrangement. But this one, this lone pair ataupun a pair of electron is free. That's why this NH3 molecule said, I have a pair of electrons to be shared. Because yang lain sudah stabil dengan H3, tapi ada satu lagi. So dia mau share dengan this H+, hydrogen ion. Wow, now I have achieved duplet electron arrangement, said the hydrogen ion. I am still in octet electron arrangement. So you see, kamu memberi dan kamu tidak affected. Okay, tidak affected. You are still you. Okay, you are still stable. Because you have a lot, so you give other people. When you give other people, you give a pair. That is dative bond. Okay, mari kita tengok. Dative bond, the definisi dia, okay? Dative bond or coordinate bond. So this is the another name lah. Coordinate ataupun dative bond. Sama saja, okay? Is a type of covalent bond. Kenapa covalent? Because they share. You still remember, covalent punya prinsip adalah, how covalent bond terbentuk adalah melalui sharing. Sharing of electrons, kan? Sharing. Kalau ionic bond, it's not sharing, it's transferring. One donate, one receive. Itu ionic bond. How to form ionic bond ba? Tapi untuk covalent bond, sharing kan? So from this illustration, diorang share kan? Jadi covalent bond lah tu. Dative bond is a covalent bond. where the electron pair, okay, perhatikan di sini pair, sepasang, mesti sepasang, that is shared comes from one atom only. Tengok, dative bond is a bond. Bond apa? Chemical kah? Ionic kah atau covalent? It's a covalent bond. Berapa dia share? Mesti satu pasang. One pair of electron that is shared coming from one atom only. Coming from one atom ni, N yang akan share. Because N ada lebihan 2 elektron. So dia share. Okay, from one atom. It doesn't come from the H. It comes from the N saja. Okay, dan berapa? Satu pasang. Itulah maksud dative bond. Kita kongsi satu pasang elektron. Tapi yang kasih kongsi itu N saja. Macam si bapak saja yang bagilah. So the wife jangan kacau the duit. So only the bapak saja yang handle. Something like that. How does such sharing take place? So let us look at this figure 5.18 shows the formation of dative bond. Di dalam hydroxonium ion, this is a type of complex ion. Complex ion tu yang beginilah, yang ada 2-3 elemen combining together to form an ion. Ingat, in your syllabus, kalau bukan ini, memang ammonium ion saja that you have to understand. Okay, so don't worry too much. If you can understand hydroxonium ions formation, you can also understand this ammonium ion punya formation lah. Okay, let us look at the explanation over here. But first thing first, I want you to understand that this is Lewis structure. Lewis structure ni apa? Hanya menunjukkan elektron pada petala terakhir. Cuba tengok ini nak O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kan O tu dia punya proton number is 8. So when we susun, we are going to get 2.6. Kan 2.6. Jadi 6 saja yang ditunjukkan dalam this Lewis structure. Ingat, ini 2 dia tidak kasih tunjuk. Because we want to focus on the valence electron only. Valence saja yang boleh kena share. Okay, so O ada 6 lah kan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, jadi ini 2, kenapa dia tidak bersama-sama? Selalunya kita kan lukis begini. Tapi sekarang kita pisahkan dia. Kenapa? Because we want to share dengan H. Ini adalah air. H2O. H2O. So this is a molecule. And this molecule is going to share electron dengan H+. H+ ion. Hydrogen ion. Jadi kamu boleh nampaklah tu kan siapa yang share. Yang O kah ataupun yang H. Mari kita tengok. Okay, susunan. Now you understand already. This is Lewis structure of the water molecule. So H. H di sini ada 1 and then di sini pun ada 1. Dia sudah share. That's why dia stable. Oxygen atom achieve octet electron arrangement. Ialah because oxygen originally ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 saja. Itu belum stable. Tapi sekali dia share dengan si hydrogen, stable sudah. And hydrogen atom achieves stable duplet electron arrangement. Ini duplet lah. Because originally dia kan 1 saja kalau dia atom. Jadi ini atom berkongsi dengan oxygen atom, jadilah H2O, jadilah air. Masing-masing sudah stable because diorang saling berkongsi elektron. Lepas tu ada lagi 1. Lone Ranger mau datang, campur pula di dalam this big family. Okay, this ion ini tiada elektron. Dia punya syarat untuk mau join ni kan, dia mesti mau tiada elektron bah. Mana elektron dia? Sudah dia derma, itulah dia jadi H+. Dia ada elektron, look at this. Hydrogen ion H+ does not have any electron in the shell because it's an ion. Kalau dia atom, dia ada 1 proton, 1 elektron. Okay, 1 elektron, tapi dia ion kan. Okay, I really want to stress this out because I don't want you to confuse. Kan dua-dua tu hydrogen. Kan hydrogen tu 1 elektron dia ialah kalau dia atom. Tapi kalau dia ion, tiada sudah tu. Tiada sudah the electron because dia sudah derma. Okay? So, this hydrogen ion tiada kan, does not have any electron in the shell. So, what will happen is, cuba kamu tengok ini nah. Look at this arrow over here. These are the 2 lone pair of electron pair. Bebas nih. Bebas untuk didermakan. Jadi why not kan? Derma lah. So, apa yang berlaku adalah the lone pair of electron ni, mau ambil yang ini kah, mana-mana saja pun boleh, that are not involved in covalent bond in water molecule will be shared with hydrogen ion H+ through the formation of dative bond. Okay, faham ayat dia di sana? This one is a lone pair of electron. Tidak terlibat, ini saja yang terlibat. Because these two form covalent bond with hydrogen. Ada free ma. So why not we take the free one, we give it to the hydrogen ion. Share ba? Because kesian dia tidak stable. Okay, so when you already share, jadi this hydrogen ion, you are going to take it in the family. Take it in the family. So where does the two electron comes from? It comes from the oxygen punya mula-mula. Kan? Jadi bila diorang sudah share berapa? Mesti sepasang. Syarat untuk dative bond adalah must be a pair of electron. Bila dia sudah share, you give them a big bracket, give them a happy family punya bracket, dan put a plus sign. Okay, so it will become a complex ion, yaitu hydroxonium ion H3O+. So this is how the hydroxonium ion is formed because of the hydrogen bond. Mula-mula water saja, tapi they have one free pair of electron kan? So why not share it with the hydrogen ion? So give it a big bracket and a positive sign. Okay, so it will become a complex hydroxonium ion. So this is how it's formed. I hope this video is clear. So in this activity 5.6, I would like two students to make a video, okay, about this one. Present your discussion results in an attractive presentation. Okay, so I will share it in the group just like Kit and Elizabeth punya video. Now, what you need to do is, based on the statement below, discuss the formation of dative bonds in ammonium ion. This is ammonium ion lah. So you understand that, tengok ini na, when hydrogen chloride HCl gas and ammonia gas NH3 are mixed, white fumes of ammonium chloride is formed. This one. So this is ammonia, this is hydrochloric acid. How does it form? Macam mana dia begitu? Okay, ingat, kalau nampak ada H+ ni, maksudnya dia mesti berasal daripada hydrogen ion tu. Jadi yang lain tu dari mana? Dari amonia. Okay, dari amonia. Jadi cuba kamu fikirkan, okay? I would like to choose Dian and also Siti Ros for this task today, okay? So Dian and Siti Ros, can you girls think about how the dative bond is formed between this ammonia and also hydrogen ion? Okay? Ammonia NH3. Hydrogen ion H+, tiada electron ni. So how is the dative bond going to form? Okay, based on the explanation on this one, can you girls create one creative video, and then I will see your presentation on Thursday. Okay, thank you very much class. That's all you're going to learn. I will upload your instruction, okay, your homework instruction in Google Classroom about what you need to do in module Cikgu Azmi. Okay, so stay tuned and see you again. Thank you class.